Hello and welcome to Angels and Chakras, the upper chakras. It is my pleasure to warmly welcome you here. I've created this course for you so that you can have the most jewel-like, sparkling, beautiful, incredible upper chakras. And so that you can understand and identify and then release all of the issues, all of the blocks, all of the stuff that is preventing you from manifesting, making progress, moving forwards in your life, allowing blessings to enter, allowing wonderful things to happen for you. So in each section, you will see that we begin with an opening circle and we always finish with a closing circle. We have card exercises. We have opportunities for you to discover in detail your own chakra issues through angelic exercises. I would advise you to print off your handout notes, which you'll see are in each section, and have them with you in every lecture. They're really going to support your growth. They're really going to provide an amazing record, and they're something which will really see you advance. Please feel welcome to reach out to me, to let me know, to ask me if you want any questions answered, if you've got anything that's on your mind, anything that you're not sure about. I'm very, very happy to answer those questions. I'm excited to get going. I'm excited to be with you. I am fully aware through having already experienced the lower chakra course just how much lies in store, and I can't wait for us to start this journey together. I can't wait for us to do this together. It's really truly a transformational course, and I'm excited to hold hands with you and to take all the steps along the path to cleansing, clearing and balancing your upper chakras. I am excited to welcome you in the first lecture. I'll see you there.